Hello, YouTube, and oh, it's so cringy. Okay, well, I'm not doing 2 takes because I just want to get this done.
One take, Joey.
Ryan's at my house right now. If you watched my last video, you heard me talking about this bad boy, and it won't start. I'll put a little like iPhone clip right here of what it's doing. So I pulled the battery out, it tested good at AutoZone. Then Ryan told me, he was like, hey, maybe you should check the voltage while cranking it. So I didn't have a multimeter, so I borrowed a multimeter. The cold cranking voltage seemed good, so I'm pretty positive it's not the battery. The battery is charged up, so it can't be the alternator. I hear the fuel pump priming, so it's not the fuel pump. So I'm so confident that it's a starter right now that I just went ahead and bought a starter before even taking it out. But that's where we're at. I was a little discouraged after it wouldn't start, and I was like, I'll probably fix it in a week or 2 or something. And then Ryan texted me last night, he's like, so when we put that starter in, I was like, well, I guess if he's down, because me and him both worked today. That's why the video's starting so late. Ryan was like, when are we doing this starter? So I was like, man, if you just want to come over tomorrow, we can do it. So here we are. The biggest issue at the moment, even bigger than it not starting, is it's like on the grass. So we're gonna have to push it to somewhere where we can actually jack it up safely and the jack won't fail. So I didn't really get a chance to film much of changing the lights, but I ended up changing these lights up here. I replaced pretty much everything with LED lights. If you could see, I guess this car either it's been in an accident or it's been in a front end collision or something, because we got a new headlight, or not new headlight, but an older headlight. And I'm pretty sure that this headlight might be a halogen light. I changed up both high beams, the parking or the daytime running light. I didn't change the low beams on either of these, which is the biggest issue right now, because they're both different. I mean, they both work, all the lights worked, I just wanted LED stuff. This one is a lot brighter. This one isn't as bright, so I think this one might be a halogen one. This one might not be. They're like $100 bulbs, so that's why I didn't buy those. And then I didn't have any tag lights at all. They're not working, so I replaced the tag lights. It looks really good from behind. I'll do like a little thing later when it's nighttime out. But
well, we're gonna have to test drive it. So
she's doing good, not bad. I also bought some lights, some like interior dome lights to put in. I haven't put those in yet. It's super easy though. And one thing I've noticed while working on this car is literally, check this out. So literally, you see this, okay, so we got broken push pin, broken push pin, broken push pin. You know what? All these push pins are broken. So I bought a pack of like 50 of them for like $3 off eBay. So I will try to change out a lot of these push pins and have ones that actually work. But enough talking, because I probably just talked for like 5 minutes. Let's disconnect this battery and let's move this car and let's start working.
alright, so here we are. Got the Z all jacked up in the front. We got
Dirty boy
Joey boy down here.
I literally haven't even done anything. I'm already just covered in dirt.
We got that. No, we got that under tray off, Joey. You can't say that that's not nothing. That's a lot of work.
Yeah, a little bit.
But he's working on getting that connector off, and he should have that off in a jiffy here. And we should be getting those starter bolts out, and the starter's gonna be on its way out. Like,
about to give her hell. Quick, which way's counterclockwise?
Against the clock. Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
I don't know that. All I know is counterclockwise.
So we just broke loose those fucking starter bolts.
They're super tight. We use these big boys.
Had to get those breaker bars out.
Not
completely forgot to bring the actual breaker bars that we bought, but you know. So Joey's getting that last starter bolt out right now, and then we're gonna pull that bad boy on out. And when he got that bolt loose,
right
some oil dripped down on.
Yeah, some oil dripped on me. What the
Yeah,
heck
some
is
oil
that?
dripped down on him.
350Z problems.
Oil everywhere.
Oh, yeah. I'm so dangerously close to this oil. I'm ready for this bad boy to come out.
I'm ready. Get that starter on out of there, boy.
Ooh, she's coming out. Dude, getting this new starter in is gonna suck though.
You know what they say. Getting it out is easier than getting it in.
You say that. Oh my god, we got a starter
there
out.
it is. There it is.
We're not just some fake YouTube kids.
350Z starter.
Oh.
Joey pulled it out. I have evidence on video.
I think this is it.
Alright, starter's in, boy.
Hold on. Let me just wipe my...
Oh, we didn't put the battery back on, did we?
No, that'd be a good idea. This is a little sketchy. Oh my god.
There she goes.
That makes me so happy.
She started right up.
It's just like so refreshing, dude. Knowing it wasn't the battery or the alternator. So we got a real hard install now. I've done this before. That's why I know they're out. One of them's out. This, I should probably talk. The dome light. This one's out, and this one works, but they're like really dim. What do we use here? Oh, here we go. Tampa Bay Grand Prix. Oh, come on.
I think I need a flashlight, honestly.
A little dark.
It's a little dark. Ooh, brighten your way up there.
Go ahead. This is junk. Junk.
Get in there. Get it out of there.
Junk.
Junk. Boy,
So-
you gotta keep this thing clean.
I want to talk about something real quick. I knew my starter was bad because I read that the 350Zs that have a valve cover gasket leak, which is like mine, it leaks oil onto the starter and kills the starter. And you may be asking, you're like, Joey, why'd you change the starter before fixing the leak? Because it's just going to kill the starter again. And you know what? You're completely right. But I need to start the car, so that's what we're rocking right now. Hopefully we're gonna fix the leaky valve cover very soon. But for now, we're gonna run it.
Everybody comment on Joey's videos, leaky valve cover.
Yeah, until I fix it. Maybe it'll give me motivation to fix it. I don't know if I'm putting these things in right or not.
Are they going in?
I mean, yeah.
Then it's right.
Come on.
Maybe.
Get in there. There we go. This one, like, I feel like is this angled to you? I feel like this one's a little angled.
That's fine.
Does this one?
Oh, it's in. I can see it.
I feel like the one on my side, I'm just gonna double check. Yeah, well, oh.
Oh.
Okay, well maybe this one just doesn't work. So one thing you should always know, because I got a little scared there. So when you're dealing with LEDs, they only go in one way. So if it doesn't work one way, take it and turn it around the other way, and it should work. And look at that, we got some nice bright LED dome lights, and it was super easy.
It's nice and bright in here.
Wait a second. Alright, well here we go. Ready?
Yep.
$8:39. AutoZone closes at 9 o'clock, and we got to get this $40 core charge.
Gotta get that money back.
You know, from AutoZone, the only place getting the zone. AutoZone. Look at that. And here, I told you I was gonna show you guys the back. Look how good these. Oh man, that's a nice rear end with the new tag lights. That's good stuff. Look who decided to show up.
Oh, yeah.
What's up, Angelo?
Not much.
What's up, Dakota?
What's up, Joey? How you doing?
What's up? So you know we're back at the lanes. You can't see anything but manatee lanes. Manatee lanes. It's Ryan and Angelo's first time meeting. Got anything to say, Angelo? I'm doing another video.
The king's back, baby.
That's what I like to hear. Can you tap the card on the screen? Tap the card on the screen.
Oh.
You know we had to do some arcade, so we're gonna bust out on the thing. You wanna film? Thanks for filming, Dakota. You want to get these? These are all yours. No, these are all yours. I'll let you get my extra balls. What did I get?
I feel like I was killing it too.
Don't worry, I just spanked Ryan 48, 33. You suck, Ryan.
Yeah, I know.
Look at the Space Invaders. You gonna play, Dakota?
These boys. Look at them.
We're done.
They're gonna die again. They're gonna die again. Oh. Dead boys. Are you gonna blow up some dinosaurs? You gonna blow up some dinosaurs?
Why? You didn't know my WWE finisher is the dinosaur guy, right?
No, I didn't know that. That's pretty sweet.
I'm ready.
I fucked up.
Dang, Ryan, you talked all that game just to only get 36 balls out of 50? It's recording, it's recording. Film it, film it. Alright, this one's the one. Oh my god. Oh. It's like so packed. This is like the only thing to do around here in my county, Manatee Lanes. It's dollar bowl night. And I don't think we're gonna be able to bowl because we're still waiting on a lane. It's been like
we can bowl.
It's been like 45 minutes. Yeah, so I guess this is what we're gonna do. Just balling out in the arcade. We're gonna play some bowling. Do some bowling at the.
What pin's he gonna hit there? There's already one in here.
Give him the beans. Wow, that was good. We finally got a lane. Here we go. You want to film real quick? Me first. Going first. I'm next. Alright, I'm getting a strike right now.
Right now?
After I do my bowling, I'm taking out.
Oh! He called it!
Dude, I would never do that in a million years again. Alright. Angelo's gonna get a strike too. He's got my back.
Right here.
There you go. Just lay it down. What the? Filmed me and Angelo. I haven't filmed Ryan and Dakota, so here's Ryan. Oh, he got a spare. Nice going. Good for you.
That spare, boy. Actually, hit me with that strike.
Come on, the whole team. Everybody eats. Everybody eats, Dakota. Everybody eats.
I need a strike right now. I'm in a freaking.
We're nearing towards the end of the game. We're just kind of messing around now. What the heck? You like to launch that thing, dude?
I'm not sure.
Oh my god!
Blowing it. Good luck.
What are these goofs doing?
Blowing for luck.
Last frame.
That didn't help!
Last one we're doing tonight. Going up, all the way up. I don't know. No, I think we tied. The guy's leaving. He's going home. So that was a quick little game. It's about 12:30. About to head home. Ryan's got to work. What is he doing? Ryan, stop it! Stop it! Oh my gosh, stop it! What if I ran that over and my tire went flat?
Good.
Oh man.
See a monster of a can.
Thanks for coming, Dakota.
Shut up, dude.
Okay.
Just kidding.
Thanks for coming, Angelo.
You're like, no, I don't want to be mean on camera anymore.
Alright.
Yeah,
that
dude.
was a prank, guys.
No, dude, I'm leaving it in.
Okay, dude.
Everyone's gonna see the real you.
Good.
Woo! Woo! Hey!
Watching that start now.
Made it back home.
It's like blue inside the car.
Here's both my little cars. It's so bright in there now with the lights. I love it. Good install. Almost better than the starter. Cause you know, who needs to start your car when you have bright LED dome lights, right?
I mean, that might as well just start it up anyways.
But there they are next to each other. They're both running now, sort of. We'll work on this very soon. Nope, there they go.
It likes to trick you, huh?
Yeah, it's like, are you sure you don't want to come back? You sure you want to come back and drive the Z?
He's like,
You want to come in and drive it?
I know I could take one more beating.
So here's me. I feel like I haven't really actually vlogged, like faced the camera towards me this whole video almost. But I don't know if this video is short or long or what it is. It's kind of all over the place, fixing the starter and then going bowling. It's a nice little continuation. So it wasn't just the install video. But I hope everyone enjoyed. It was fun. I'm glad I actually have an install video on the Z. Hopefully there's more to come soon. Big shout out to Ryan for coming over and helping. I mean, I probably could have done it myself, but it's just, working on cars alone sucks.
Working on cars together is what's up.
So, thanks for coming over, giving me company, bringing some tools. We finally use those tools now.
Oh yeah, dude.
So, that's awesome.
For mechanics.
Yeah, I'm just rambling on now, so anything you'd like to say before I end the video? Because I don't have anything to say.
More Z content on the way.
More Z content on the way. It's a good ender.